have sodium, potassium, strontium, and copper. The science stage is where we do different experiments, but for entertainment purposes. You get to show science to people who may or may not already know a lot about science and make them see it as fun instead of boring. I can also do this with it. I can bounce it up and down. This is actually a liquid. It's a special type of liquid though. It's called a non-Newtonian fluid. Today, I was doing a chemistry show for 3rd graders. Those are my favorite age group to do these shows for. So we're just gonna pour them in at the same time. And I want you to raise your hand when you see something happening. They will be really excited to learn a lot, and they also have really interesting questions. They'll be smiling, they'll be gasp and stuff, and mostly just an urge to yell out what they're seeing. By the end of the show, they all seem to know exactly what was happening. They catch on to things really well, and they'll kind of repeat it back to you. So that's how you can tell they got it. Yeah.
Do we use them for fireworks?
Yes. So these salts are going to be in a lot of fireworks. Everyone can understand science. Hopefully in shows like this, you might realize some of your knowledge you actually already had of science from your own observations. So I hope that people come in here and see science as fun or interesting or not as difficult as they thought it would be.